Right now, the show at the gallery, titled Amalgamation, is a sculpture show, is a group show of sculptures by four emerging artists, namely Srinivas Rao, Srinu, Ramakrishna, and Kiran. They have come up with very nice works. As the title is a suggestive of it's a mixture of thoughts, language, style, and materials. Srinivas Rao belongs to Indian traditional background and has been exposed to the Western art. He takes a subject from the mythical world. His sculptures are a coming together of two different thoughts, like Krati Marmada of Indian mythology and Cupids of Greek mythology, to bring a new thought. This series, what he has displayed, they have many tales and explore a sense of desire, erotic love, attraction, and affection. The human and animal relation has also been a continuous inspiration for Srinivas' works. Like, for instance, the goddess with a body of bull. The second artist, Srinu, his works are like you can see. They're like seeing urban world through Indian mythical window. His sculptures are a very beautiful blend of mythology and modernity. He relates his subjects with his metaphors, like a plane having a tail of Hanuman, the water bottle as Ganga, the book as Saraswati, and coins as Lakshmi. Ramakrishna's sculpture, they express concern about nature and animals. In one of his sculpture on display he has titled it as the human touch. He shows his concern the rhinoceros. He has done the rhinoceros. The rhinoceros are killed and his horns are used for ornamentation and making the traditional Chinese medicine, for which he has sculpted the horn with a real gold to show its preciousness. And the other work, which shows a face within a face, shows the duality of human nature. Kiran Kumar, this artist's speciality is that his works are basically not only theme based but also thought based. He has expressed his concern about women in the society. He has a traditional he has shown the kauri. He has interpreted the kauri shape in his own way, and in that method he shows his concerns on women's condition in the present society. The show is on till 7th August 2013. There are 27 pieces on display for the exhibition.